Do you want to stay informed about certain apps even when Do Not Disturb is on your Samsung phone? Hey everybody, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to allow selected app notifications during Do Not Disturb is enabled on your device. So without any further delay, let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on Notifications, scroll down again, then tap on Do Not Disturb, scroll down once again, and then tap App Notifications. Tap on Add Apps. Now choose the important app you want to allow during Do Not Disturb. Like, I'm going to choose Gmail. Then tap Done from the bottom. That's it. So guys, this is how you can allow selected app notifications during Do Not Disturb is enabled on your Samsung phone. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.